Barks Alpha here, reporting for Newshound by the ocean at dusk with your 24-hour crypto news roundup. On today's bulletin, JP Morgan faces lawsuit over $328 million Goliath Ponzi. MediaTek chip flaw leaves Android wallets vulnerable. Bitflow launches. HODLMM for enhanced Bitcoin liquidity. Techgaged unveils. Real-time Bitcoin, Millionaire tracker. And Arc Labs secures funding from Tether. Let's dig. JP Morgan Chase is facing a class action lawsuit for its alleged role in a $328 million cryptocurrency Ponzi scheme operated by Goliath Ventures. The legal filing, submitted on behalf of more than 2,000 investors, claims the banking giant ignored red flags while processing approximately $253 million in deposits for the fraudulent firm. Goliath Ventures, led by CEO Christopher Delgado, reportedly lured victims with promises of monthly returns through liquidity pools and arbitrage strategies. However, federal investigators state that very little capital was actually traded. Instead, the operation functioned as a classic Ponzi, using new investor funds to pay off earlier participants before collapsing in late 2025. Plaintiffs allege the bank overlooked suspicious patterns, including the movement of $120 million to various crypto exchanges and the commingling of personal and business funds. Drawing parallels to the infamous Bernie Madoff scandal, the suit accuses the bank of negligence and aiding and abetting fraud by failing to file required suspicious activity reports. A warning for Android users now, as a critical vulnerability found in MediaTek processors has left millions of smartphones susceptible to a data extraction exploit. Research conducted by Ledger's Donjon security team revealed that an attacker can bypass a phone's lock screen and extract encrypted information, including wallet seed phrases and PINs, in less than 45 seconds using a USB connection. The flaw targets the secure boot process, allowing hackers to grab sensitive keys before the operating system starts. According to reports, although MediaTek issued a fix to manufacturers in January, the news was only recently made public. While the demonstration specifically targeted the Nothing CMF Phone 1, the risk extends to a vast range of devices, including popular models from Samsung, Xiaomi, Motorola, and the crypto-centric Solana Seeker. Security experts warn that this exploit highlights the fundamental danger of using general-purpose smartphones for crypto storage. Users should check for the latest updates and consider migrating high-value assets to dedicated hardware wallets. Next up, and Bitflow has officially unveiled its new concentrated liquidity engine, HODLMM, marking a milestone for decentralized finance on Bitcoin. Born in 2022 on the Bitcoin Layer 2 stacks, Bitflow brings institutional-grade market-making tools to the ecosystem. Unlike traditional automated market makers, AMMs, that spread capital across all price ranges, HODLMM allows liquidity providers to concentrate assets within specific price intervals. This is designed to increase capital efficiency, reduce slippage, and provide tighter spreads for traders of Bitcoin, wrapped Bitcoin, and related assets like USDCX, SBTC, and STX. The launch of HODLMM addresses a gap in the Bitcoin market, which has lacked the sophisticated trading models found on other chains. By leveraging the security of Bitcoin and the smart contract capabilities of Stacks, Bitflow provides a transparent and auditable platform for on-chain market making. The development is primed to attract more institutional capital to the Bitcoin economy, facilitate deeper liquidity, and improve the overall trading experience for both retail and professional participants. Sticking with Bitcoin news, and a new digital tool has officially launched to provide real-time data on the world's wealthiest Bitcoin holders. The Bitcoin Millionaire tracker by Techgaged monitors the movement and growth of whale addresses, offering a peek at how many individual wallets hold over $1 million in BTC. As Bitcoin prices fluctuate, the tracker updates automatically to reflect the changing status of these high-value accounts, providing a unique perspective on the concentration of wealth within the network. For market analysts and curious onlookers alike, the tool offers a window into the number of Bitcoin wallet addresses worth $1 million or more. Last up, Arc Labs has successfully closed a $5.2 million seed funding round to accelerate the development of Arcade, a native execution layer for the Bitcoin network. The round was led by stablecoin giant Tether, along with participation from Ego Death Capital, Anchorage Digital, and several other institutional investors. Arc Labs' primary mission is to provide a programmable infrastructure for Bitcoin, allowing financial applications like lending, escrow, and conditional payments to function directly on Bitcoin's base layer without the need for wrapped tokens or third-party custody. By utilizing Arcade, developers can create complex financial products that settle natively on Bitcoin, leveraging its liquidity and security. That's it for today, dogs. Remember to share with the pack. Keep your noses to the ground and your ears pricked so you never miss a beat. Reporting for Newshound. This is Barks Alpha. Yes, I do.